Today I have this daily challenge question. Double a number represented as a linked list. This is a LeetCode medium questions. What they are given is they will give us a non-empty list. So basically a list that has at least one element, and we just have to double it. Double it in the sense that whatever the number is created by the linked list, we'll just double that number. So for example, here it is 189, and twice of 189 is 378. Same for here also. Twice of 999 is 1998. So this one is one of the edge cases, uh, and this should be easy one because they gave the edge case here. So the edge case will be like, what if there is one extra carry remaining at the end of the summation? So we'll just have to create one node and just append it to the head. And I'll just explain quickly like how we will do this summation logic. How to solve this though? So let's look at this linked list as an array actually instead of linked list by like going only this way. What we can do is we can, instead of starting from here, we can start from here and just double this, and after doubling it we can just mod the results with 10 and put that here and keep like keep track of the carry, so how much carry is remaining after doubling it, and then like do the normal summation we do usually. So I think the hard, I mean not hard, but the complex part would be to how to reverse this list. I actually explained the same in the yesterday's question also. Okay, so I had added an example here that we just saw, and here I have already reversed this linked list so that we will traverse from right to left. That way we'll be able to like sum these two, like double this linked list naturally how we do it on the paper. So here like what we'll do is we will do 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 will be 18, but we will not be writing 18 here. We will mod this number with 10, so 18 mod 10 will be 8, and we'll put the other number, and we'll put the carry as 1 here. So same for this also. Now 9 plus 9 is 18, plus the carry plus the carry, that will be 19. Again same thing, we'll put only 9 here and add the carry to here. So keep in mind that when we added the 1 here, the carry became 0, and after again it became 1. Same here, 9 plus 9 will be 18 plus 1 9, so this will also become 19, and carry will be 0. So from this 19 we'll divide this. We'll first mod this with 10, so we'll get 9 with there, and then we'll divide it by 10 to get the carry. So this is the current list. So this one is the answer list we currently got. But if you check here, we still have one carry left. So in the end, we'll put a condition that if carry is there, we'll just create one node from that. So I'll quickly just create a node here, and let's put the carry here. And this is basically the whole explanation for this. We'll just return this node because this will be our new head, so we'll just return this. Let's move to the code. First I'm writing logic for reversing the list. So basically we'll be just reversing this pointers here. So instead of 1 pointing to 8, it will be pointing to previous one, which is currently null, and then we'll update the previous and current pointers accordingly. We'll run this until we are at the end of the loop, and what we'll basically do is we'll first create a temp node, that will have the value of the current dot next. We are doing this because we'll soon be updating the value of the current next, and then we might lost access to it. That's why we're storing it in the table. After that, we'll just set the current dot next to previous, and previous will be current, and in the end we'll set the proper value of current. So now initially current was pointing here at, let's say, 1, then it will reverse that link, so 1 will be pointing to null and current will be then pointing to 8, then 8 will point to 1 and current will be pointing to 9. So that way the rest will be reversed, and in the end we will return previous year. Keep in mind that we are returning previous year, not current, because we are learning the loop until current becomes null. So if you return current, it will be null, and when the current becomes null, previous is the one holding its value. That's why returning previous year. So now that the hard part of reversing the list is done, we'll just move on to the solution. First we will reverse the list. After that we'll create one node to keep track of the current node, which will be equal to head, and also we'll need one variable to store the carries. So initially it will be 0, and we'll run this while current is not equal to null, so until whole list is finished. So first we'll calculate the sum. So sum will be basically 2 into whatever the value of current is plus the carry, but this sum might go over 10, so we have to like cap it. We will just mod it with 10, so it only remains between 1 to 9, and for the carry we'll just divide the sum by 10, so we'll get the carry for that, and in the end we'll just update the value of the current node to the sum, and we'll update current also, so it points to the next node. After this is done, we'll reverse the list again before checking the if carry is there or not. I'm doing this so because currently the list is in the reverse order, and if we append it to the head, it will get appended here at the end. So that's why I'm first reversing the list. So we'll just do head is equal to reverse list head. So again this is in the correct order. After that we will check if the carry is greater than 0. If carry is greater than 0, then we'll just create a list node temp, let's say node, with the value of carry, and we'll point the node dot next to the current head. We'll just update the head to the node. In the end we'll just return head. So that's it. We also handle this edge case that if carry is there, we'll append one node there. Let's run this. Okay, so I got the mistake here. What we are doing is we are basically updating the sum here, which we should not do because we cannot update the sum there, because then the calculation for the carry will be wrong. What we'll do is we'll just put it here. Let's try again. So now it works. Submit, and you can see I think it's efficient. I don't know, I think it can be done better way. Do let me know if you have a better solution for this. Thank you.